Hi, are you seeing the image on the screen? What is wrong with this image? The skin color is off. Before fixing it, let's analyze what has gone wrong with this image. Number 1, the lighting which has been used. Number 2, the white balance. Number 3, the way it's been edited. 3 important things, 3 big mistakes or even 1 mistakes could end up the image like this. Now what if I tell you this can be corrected in just 1 click? So follow along, let's dive into the Photoshop. So I have my image here. Now from here, what I'll do is I'll create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl J or Command J and convert this layer into Smart Filter. Let's go to Filter, click on Convert for Smart Filters. So once you do this, go to Filter again, Camera Raw Filter. So under Camera Raw Filter, you can see that under Color, you have white balance, right? So you just have to select this. There are 2 ways. Let's understand 2 methods also. So use this color picker tool. You need to click on the mid-tone area, okay, so that the image is color correct. So the gray, what I'm talking about, gray can be somewhere here. See this? Wow. Let's check before and after. This is before and this is after in just 1 click. Remember, I just said there are 2 possibilities. Let's use the other possibility. Let's bring this back to its original. Okay. And what is the second possibility? Go to this drop down, click here. All you need to do is select auto. And there you go. This is before and this is after. Guys, magic. If you have faced this issue, this can be one of the quickest way to color correct it. So I hope you liked it. Yes, do comment below and do not forget to follow us. See you soon. Bye bye.